Mod number 5 is probably hands down one of the best investments that I've made on my Tacoma, and that is a screen protector for my nav and for my dash. I went with Screen Protec. They're actually a local company in the area that I'm with, but they ship all over the US. I've spoken with the owners. They are awesome to deal with. They're quick, they're very knowledgeable, very helpful as well. You can contact Jess or Chris with Screen Protec if you have any questions. Currently, right now, for the Tacomas, they have the Gen 3 Tacoma dash and nav screen. So that's the 2020s that have all the buttons, and the non-button earlier Gen 3s that have like the CD player or whatever else. The other cool thing that they have is a protector for the little area next to the shift lever. So if you want to protect your screens and some of the more glossy areas of your Tacoma, check out Screen Protec on Instagram, and I will leave a link to all of these in the description box below if you want to check them out